Alright guys, food and that, coming at you in a new video, just a quick one today. Just gonna do like a pesto, chicken, pepper and onion, cheese sandwich. Should be super nice. Really basic, we're just frying and toasting today, but we're using the pesto from one of the earlier videos. This is the one I made. I showed you guys how to make it. The recipe will be up here or there at the end of the video, or wherever I choose to put it. Today we just got cheddar cheese, an onion, bell pepper. This chicken is just like store-bought chicken. Like it's just marinated in like garlic and some herbs and stuff, but it's really nice. This bread, and then this is the pesto. I just said that. This bread is fresh bread from the bakery today, sourdough bread, like white flour. So it's super nice, super fresh. It's still warm, and yeah, I can't wait to use this and toast it. I might not even have to toast it really because it's so fresh. But yeah, we'll crack on with the video. Just chopping, frying, toasting. That's it. Okay, so we got the onions. Peppers and onions. Just like be careful when you're cutting onions. Like one of them just shot some onion juice in my eye, so I feel kind of like a corn star. You know, like never had an onion load before, but it's the first time for everything. So yeah, we're just gonna fry these super low heat, and add some salt and pepper. So ignore the humming, that's just my fridge, sorry. So we got like 2 tablespoons of oil here, and yeah, just heat the oil up. And in goes our ingredients. Salt, pepper, stir for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Nothing crazy. So yeah, just cut open the cheeks, man. Damn, that looks nice. I like that, man. It's nice. Nice aeration too. Lovely. So, just gonna cut like, I don't know, a couple slices. 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. Peppers and onions are done. Just gonna put them off the heat and onto the plate, just so they can stop cooking. And then we can put our toast slices of bread into the toaster. So I got like 4 slices of bread. So I'm just gonna toast it in my toaster oven for a little bit. Yeah, medium heat, and we're just going with the chicken. That for about like 5 minutes, 2.5 minutes on the side. So basically I flip this and I'm just going to sprinkle the cheese on top. And all these little cheesy bits that fall around the edge, they're going to like crisp up and like it'll be super nice, you'll see. So in the meantime, I'm just going to take some mayonnaise. Secret ingredient. Secret because I forgot to mention it. And we'll put like a tiny bit. Take some of our pesto. Give it a good mix because all the oil's at the top. Drop a decent amount. Look at that spread. Do that 3 more times. Okay, so now we're just gonna plate up everything. So take your peppers, put some on here, and put like half. Grab your chicken. Ooh, yes sir. take like a tiny bit more from the other piece. Dip that on there. Get the top, put the top on. Oosh. Give it a cut. Nice. I'm just gonna try it now. Wow. That's really good. Pesto really shines through there. So here on the cross section, you can really make out the pesto on the right, the chicken, the peppers, the onions, and the cheese as well. It's right here. So it's a really nice combo. Quite fatty, there's a lot of fat, I'm not gonna lie, but still really nice, probably why it tastes so good. But yeah, give this one a go. Super quick, super easy, and it's just something fun, like really good lunch, like if you're in uni or whatever. And especially if you saw the last video, the pesto video, like, you know, this is just one example. You can incorporate it into so many things, like pasta, sandwiches, like you can have it with potato if you want, like your options are endless. And this sandwich is just something different from like a, you know, boring ham sandwich, ham and cheese sandwich. So yeah, catch you on the next one. Bye.